Okay, we have my Verde Radia here. It's I've never rode a Verde. I always told myself I'd never ride one, but I ended up picking this one up for specific reasons, like the integrated seat post right there, and I kind of like the chrome, so that's pretty sweet. Um, like I said, the frame is the Verde Radia. It's chrome, but as you guys should all know, my favorite brand name's McNeil. But, oh, Sunday's in my lead for frames, but just McNeil for parts. It's what I rode on my other bike. But I got the Animal 8.5-inch riser bars with 20 cut to 26-inch width with ODI grips. I got a demolition stem on here. The stock forks that came on the bike. Got tapered legs. Animal pegs, because I just recently learned how to do double pegs, feeble grinds, Smith, Lucky's. Buddy taught me how to do that. I got my Duo tire. I don't know, it came stock on the bike. Same with the double wall cinema rim, which I don't mind at all. As we move here, I got the Duo Roche Status pivotal seat. I had it on my Fit before, but I decided to get another one because it kind of makes it look like the Hulk. Got a mixed amount of colors going on. I like it. We got the stock crank that came on it. I'm planning on getting a device soon. And then we got Odyssey plastics again. They may come stock on the bike, but they're still my favorite pedals no matter what you say. We got the KMC half-link chain, which I like. And then what we have here is a Colony 23 tooth sprocket, which is pretty decent because it's 3.7 millimeters thick, I believe. Go back, we got that other Animal peg going on. And then we got the beautiful Animal ASM on the rear. And then I recently built up this rim, which is an Alex rim Super G with gold nipples and white spokes. And here's my favorite part. I got a KHE Aspen free coaster. It's my first year riding one. I'm getting pretty good with it. I like it. I got this Caterpillar going on. Keeps my rim clean. Can't go wrong with that. It's probably my favorite thing of this year. It's just fun to mess around with. I like it. The bike's so smooth, quiet. It's my bike of the year. I think I invested, I don't know, some good amount of Canadian money on it. But that's my bike check. And Verde Radia, it may be stock, but remember, it does have the good features. Oh, and the frame also has removable brake mounts. But I ride brakeless, so it makes the frame look cleaner and brakeless. So there's a lot of good features with this frame. I wanted the black one more, but this is what I settled with. Comment, rate, and check out my pink bike at www.fitrider180.pinkbike.com. I will post the link in the description. Thank you for watching.